Hello everyone, so today I'm back with a plan with me from April 9th through April 15th. I cannot believe we're already in the mid-April, but this is the kit that I will be using and I am so in love with it. Oh, I'm so happy. It is the April Mystery Kit from Scribble Prints Co. and I ended up buying it as a resale from someone on Facebook on the EC Marketplace group. And I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. If you know me, you'll know that I am so in love with the movie Tangled. It is my ultimate favorite Disney princess movie. I have a Disney princess movie and then I have like a normal Disney, not princess related movie, which is not keeping up with the Kardashians. Oh my gosh. It's Meet the Robinsons. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just said that. But Meet with the Robinsons is my favorite that's not related to like princesses, I guess you can say. Um, but I saw this as a resale and it was only for 25 bucks for everything that was in the kit. And I was so for it and I asked my husband and I was like, "Can I please buy this?" And he was like, "It's Tangled. I know you're not going to let me say no." And I was like, "Thank you." So I ended up using everything in the kit, but I just pulled in some extra foiling because you know I cannot do a kit without foil. And I pulled these date dots from Rose Colored Days, and then they are in the color gold. So gold is a color that I'm going to be bringing in, and let's see. So I white out all the date, uh, like the dates that are already on the planner, just because it's white in the background, and so I didn't want the black to show through the white, so I wanted to go ahead and just clear that all out. I don't like seeing the dots or the numbers if I'm putting something on top of it. I don't mind it if it's just its normal thing, but yeah, I don't know. And I ended up pulling these from Clever Gal Crafts, and I put these on the top uh, corners just for to cover the flags. I know that the purple would have matched with the kit, but I really wanted these hearts just because, like I said, it's my favorite, and so I really wanted the hearts because I needed to accentuate the heart of my love for this kit. I think I'm probably like the only one that was seriously excited about this kit. I was seeing some people like on Instagram and Facebook like kind of complaining about this kit, and I'm just like, how? Like, how? And like, honestly, I think people look at it for the full boxes and things like that, but once you have it laid out on your like spread, it is so beautiful. And I really hope that if any of y'all have this kit and you're watching this video, I really hope that I change your mind about this kit because the colors in it really make it really beautiful and I absolutely love them. So the glitter headers that I have here, I really wanted to do more of like a color for one, like a like yeah, like kind of Jessica. I cannot talk. I'm just so excited. Like kind of color coding each day, and so Monday was purple, Tuesday was yellow type of thing. So I kept that in line throughout the entire spread. And now I'm just putting down the full boxes. I think the only time that I'm gonna have you really zoomed in is when I am putting down more detailing things, but like things like this where it's kind of like out in the open, where it's just basic stuff where you're putting your headers and your checklists and your full boxes and things like that. I think I'm gonna just have y'all look at it this way just so it's kind of easier on the eyes. I don't know. I felt like my last one was way too zoomed in, but you guys, Viv Loves to Plan commented on my video and I freaked out. I was just like, oh my gosh. I know that, like, I don't know, the planner community is just so much more sweeter than the beauty community. I feel like the beauty community was just like, all of us were just so competitive and we kind of just never worked with each other, and it was just a tough industry to kind of be in and very expensive at that. And so with this, you kind of like For me, I was always a very big person in stationery stuff. And so when I brought my stationery love and planning together, it just like made me the happiest person ever. I actually got these characters from the Whimsical Cat. They are so adorable. Jessica from J. Crew Plans actually showed these, and so did Andrea. I think that's how you say it. Andrea had got these, and yeah, I fell in love with that character, and I thought she was adorable, so I had to get it. And I also pulled in this Simply Gilded washi with champagne bows, and it's the Lavender 2.0 washi. And I went ahead and zoomed y'all in because, like I said, I'm just going to end up putting you closer for the detailing stuff. But I ended up putting this Whimsical Cat girl for Monday because I have, I work at a college and I work for registration, and the days that registration opens, it literally makes you want to just like flip your laptop because so many people are calling and emailing you, and it's just like it goes out of control, and it kind of gets like hard to get a handle of things. And so I'm still catching up from yesterday on Monday, and that's why things weren't uploaded, just because I was just so exhausted. I actually fell asleep at 10:30 last night, and it's very rare when I do that. So I ended up pulling in a munchkin, and the little hand with the nail polish came with the kit with the free goodies that it came with, and so I was really happy about that. I'll end up showing you everything that comes in the kit in my haul that should be coming this Thursday, so let's hope for that. And for Wednesday, I ended up putting the dinner, the half box, and the little munchkin with the little crossing fingers for like good luck type of thing. I have an interview tomorrow on Wednesday, and I also had another one today, so this week has been like very nerve-wracking with interviews and things like that. So hopefully I'll be able to change jobs soon. So let's pray for me, guys. I really want to leave my job. Or not leave my job. Like, I love my job. It's just I need to grow somewhere else. If that kind of makes sense to you. But I feel like I've already outgrown my position, and I've been there for about 3.5 years now, so it's been quite some time, and I think it's just time for me to kind of move forward and move on. But yeah, so I ended up pulling in a clip from my newest addiction. These came in a kit that I didn't end up using, and so I was just so shocked by how perfect these ended up moving together. Not moving together, but like blending together. But the appointment and the payday stickers come from Fancy Sticker Station, I believe it's called. Fancy Sticker Prints. And her stickers are amazing. They are on a matte paper, and they're fairly cheap for the price, so I would highly recommend her. And I ended up putting a dental munchkin as well because I do have to get my last set of fillings. I'm so excited that I don't have to go back to the dentist. And then I ended up putting down a little fangirl from the munchkins as well. And for Saturday, I ended up putting this little day off with the Whimsical Cat Sansan character. And this looks exactly what I look like with my cat. So we just basically chill like the entire day. The only thing that it's missing is just my dog. And I really wish she would add a dog, but I don't think I could ask her for customs. And I pulled in this washi from Washiful, as you can see from the little card. A lot of people have found her, and she's been so amazing. Like, if you want to find like any Japanese washi tape or Simply Gilded washi tape, I don't know how she gets all the Simply Gilded washi tape, but she does. But she's been selling out so fast of the Simply Gilded ones just because of the demand lately. I don't know what happened that Simply Gilded just like blew up, and I'm so happy for her because her washi is amazing. But it's the one that I have is Rapunzel themed, but as you can see on the left hand side, you can see that I have most of the characters with their little princesses, their prince. Okay, didn't come out right for some reason, but I have Beating the Beast, Ariel, and Eric, Eugene, and Rapunzel, and then I think I have one more. I don't know who the other one is. I cannot remember, and I don't have it in front of me. But now I'm going to go ahead and put down the deco at the top. This is my like third attempt, and I still don't think it's as good as Jessica's from J. Crew Plans, but we will work with what we got. I'm going to try to find that little card because it is driving me crazy now that I have no idea who is in that card. And I don't remember where I put it. It's like you kind of go crazy when you're planning and you just like throw stuff around. That's exactly what I'm like. But honestly, the only one that I've used out of like the 3 or 4 that I have is Tangled, because I just love that washi. So now I'm just cutting the extras that kind of fall on top of the page, and so of course you need to take that off. And oh, here it is. It's Jasmine and Aladdin. Duh, Jessica. So yeah, it kind of has like it has gold foiling around the flowers of the characters, and then it has the names of the characters in foil, and then it also has the crowns of the princesses in foil as well. But yeah, so now I should be writing everything in, and I ended up changing the inks, I believe, from my Northern Lights Arctic Blue to my Northern Lights Lavender. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Somebody ended up selling this to me for a fairly good price, and I'm so excited about it because it is my favorite. I love it so much. So now I'm just filling everything out, but that's pretty much it from this point. And I will just end up showing you the spreads for April at the end as I normally do. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't just blab on for too long, but I actually talked through this time and didn't put any music, which I'm very shocked by. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye. Guys, bye.